A drum kit, also called a drum set, trap set, or just drums, is a collection of drums and other percussion instruments. Before you set on the task of purchasing a drum set, you first need to understand the anatomy of a drum set. Once you fully understand what each component does and its purpose, choosing the best drum set will be a breeze, because picking the best drum set for you and your lifestyle is not an easy task. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Mendini MD S80-BK comes with good cross-laminated poplar shells that offer deep resonance, warmth, and versatility. With all the drums, stands, pedals, cymbals, throne, and even a pair of sticks, this set has everything you need to get set up and play in no time. It includes a round padded height adjustable drum throne, a pair of wooden sticks, double brace snare, cymbal, and hi-hat stands. Also, the drums and cymbal are mounted off the bass drum for an easy setup while providing a small footprint, taking up minimal space. Besides, it features a height-adjustable junior drummer's throne to sit in style while beating the drums. Another advantage is that the smaller-sized, genuine hardwood shells with triple-flanged hoops make this the perfect first set for a younger player. The Tama new Imperial Star comes with chrome hardware Maynol cymbals and features a redesigned and sleek double-braced tripod design. It offers an updated die-cast collar joint that securely locks in height positioning, and the cymbal stands feature Tama's quick-set cymbal mate for practiced ease of cymbal setup. Also, it includes a solid base plate, chain drive, power glide cam, dual side beater, and separate spring tension and beater angle adjustment. Besides, it is partnered with Maynol cymbals to offer a full size of HCS series cymbals, 20 ride, 16 crash, and 14 hi-hats. Moreover, it comes with a special formulation high-tech material, which offers lighter weight and faster, more stable tuning than traditional metal hoops. Another advantage is that the spur bracket features the same look and style as Tama's high-end Star Classic drums, and provides maximum durability and stability. The Gamin Percussion comes with a high-gloss finish on real wood drum shells, including a 22 bass drum and 2 mounted toms, a floor tom, and a snare drum, along with hi-hat cymbals and a crash cymbal, and stands are also included. It also offers full product support, which includes replacement parts and add-on items. Also, the 5-piece drum set is designed with chrome or black rims, and the finish is perfected with high gloss black color. Besides, it is made with real wood drum shells, and this junior drum set is the perfect way for your young drummer to get started. The Pearl EXX725S/C comes with blended poplar/Asian mahogany shell, which delivers strong volume and sustained low end. It provides a 3-way tom mount, which allows the round to resonate freely with wobble-free performance. Also, it features double-braced stands and chain-drive bass drum pedal. Besides, the rubber isolators at all connection points allow the drums to vibrate freely for maximum sustain and resonance while providing absolute and wobble-free performance. Moreover, it is designed for minimal shell interaction. They have a small footprint and low mass for maximum depth and sustain. It has an OptiLock mounting system that features a triangular design with 2 tension rod attachment points and another through one of the drum's 2 air vents. Holding the first place among the list of best drum kits, we have the Pearl RS525SCC706. It includes chain-driven bass drum pedal and geared locking stands. Also, all positions are dual reinforced, height and angle adjustable, and feature double brace legs to withstand the pounding onslaught of the heavy-hitting drummer. Besides, it captures everything from the loudest accents to the softest ghost notes. Moreover, It features an extended tension/tuning range for low, chest-thumping bass frequencies, and it includes locking, slip-free feet and secure mounting for toms and accessories. It provides a 16-inch brass crash/ride and a set of 14-inch brass/hybrid hats. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.